Hi, I would like to welcome you to this tutorial, which is going to be across few videos showing how would I deal with the decision trees and how would I build decision trees and how do I calculate everything. I already prepared something for you here on an Excel spreadsheet, and you can see what we have. We have these columns here, the RID. Here they are. Here's the RID. So that's the table we need, right? So we have all of these, right? The age, income, students, and credit. Is the credit good or not, right? Based on these, so that's going to be the outcome. So this is called the class, right? And these are attributes. All of these attributes here it is, right? Or dependence or independence, right? These call them attributes or data attributes, right? So I can put all of these here. There it is. All these are attributes. You see that here. So age, income, students, credit are attributes, and the outcome is the class called by a computer. So on the age is a youth, the income is high, it's not students, and the credit is fair. Of course, they're going to buy a computer. This is based on data collected already. So how would I do the tree on this one? The first thing we need to do, calculate on the class the number of yes and no's. Assume if you have only two here, that's fine. If you have 3 or 4 decisions, so you can make all these. So we have, because we have 2. So here's my class. If you notice, look at my class here. So the yes are 9. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we know they are 14. So of course, if it's 9, the other one is 5. So yes is 9, and no is 5. Now, how can I calculate this? What would I do in this case? Let me just put this in here. I can click on this here and do the writings. I can write it here. Do the recordings here. So things I need to do. I'll just change to this screens in here. Very important. All you do for the class, which is, look at this value here, this one, the info for the class. How can I do? Look at this. I've got yes 9 and I've got no 5. So what do I do? Total of them is 14. So I know they are, the yeses is 9. Look at that, 9 over out of 14, right? Log, this is the log 2 of the same things, 5 over 9. All of this is negative, by the way, right? Minus, it is minus, which is actually is a plus. Look at that, plus and minus. It is. The other one is for the nodes is 5 over 14. I'm sorry, over 14 here. All right, it is. This one, 5 over 14 log 2 of 5 over 14, right? This is going to give me total. So of course, this minus with the plus, it becomes a minus. So in this case, I can move this one. That's why you have this one. Here it is. This one, here it is here. This one, and I say minus. So minus the yeses, 9 over 14. Log 2 of 5 over 9, and then I've got 5 out of 14 for the nodes, log 2 of 5 over, of course, 14. This is 14 here. This is 14. It is 14, right? So in that case, how can I do log 2? In case you don't have the calculator log 2 here. So I can apply, if I look in here, this erase all this here, right? Just demonstrate how they use before we start on anything. All right. Keep that in mind. If I want to do here, if I do calculations of log 2, assume I've got log 2, here it is. If I say log 2 of x, right, as log 2 of x. How can I do log 2 of x if I don't have the calculate log 2? This is equal to ln, here it is, ln, here it is, x, or I can ln, sorry, see, properly like that. This becomes, I can write it like this. That will be ln of x over ln of 2. Yeah, that's how we calculate actually log 2 of x. In case if you don't know how to do, if you don't have the calculator, how you do this ln or log 2 of x. Based on that, I can do, if I just try that again, what I've done before, it is, we say minus, that's a minus, it is, this is 9 over 14 log 2 9 over 14 minus log, 9, sorry, it's 5. It's 5. It is 5 over 14 log 2 of 5 over 14. Right? So if we define 9 over 14 here, let me just do, if I can get the calculator here. See, can I get a calculator? All right, here's a calculator here. If I can remember this, hopefully. All right, where's you need to have the lens, and that will help you to do the other one, right? Based on what calculator actually you are using. As a log, right? I can see here. I can do this. That's len. Here it is. So we know is 9 over 14. It is 9 over 14, which is equal 0.64 here. Take the len of it, right? So we have in this case 0.64. Let me write it down on a piece of paper here, and then we can do the calculations as we go along. Right. So of course that is going to give me, if I look at this one, it is, see if I can say this one's here, this one I can take the len of that as a len, right? So let's do that again. It's 9 over 14. It is, take the len of that as a len, which is minus 0.4418. So let me write this one down here. Minus 0.4418. So 442. There it is. Right? Over. So I can say this is equal here, for instance. Equal. This is over here. This is over. Sorry. It's over. It's over. Right. What's len of 2? So let me take 2 and its functions. See? 2, and I say len of 2, which is 0.693. There it is. 0.693. Over 0.693. That is. So this one, there you go. Minus 0.637. That is. Looking at this one here. 967, this one, and because this is a minus, so that's going to be plus. All right, this is the minus. That is minus and minus. That is going to be, of course, this is going to be plus. That is right. 0.6397. Now the other one is, which is 14 5. So I can say 5 over 14. And then I can say, give me the len of that. There it is. It's 1 point. Let me just get that right. 1.09. That is minus 1.02, the right, 02, there it is, 0.02, 0.03, right, over, that's, I'm going to say equal, I'm sorry, it's equal here, this is equal, and I'm going to say the two, of course, the two same things, so that's is 2, I get the ln of 2, 0.693, 0.963, this. No, what was that before? This, yeah, we do this here. So that's that. This, put that back here. This here. I'll do that again. Sorry, this last. Do this one. And do this one anyway. This. That's 1963. We know for the twos. 5 by 14. And I give the length for that. It is divided by 0.963. It is 1.6, right? So that's minus. It is so that's, and then I'm saying, and this is minus in here, right? 0.637, right? And this one, I think the calculations is going to be wrong here. And we just check on that. So I'll that again on the calculator. It is first one is yes, 9 out of 14. It is. Get the ln of it as ln, and divide on. We know ln of 2 was 0.693. So I divide by 0.693, and it is. So that's going to give me this. Can I take this one and make it a 3, for instance? And it is, then put it here. This one, and put it like that, right? And then, remember, this, we have to multiply it as, see before, multiply it by, so that's this one, multiply it by, multiply, it is 9 over 14, right? There it is. Now we can take the nose. The nose is 5 out of 14. It is here. Take the ln of it, and here it is. Divide by, we got ln of 2, which is 0.693. And it is. And we've got this number here, 1.47. Take it up to here, for instance. And it is. And I'll put this one. Remember, we have to multiply this one because this is 5 over 9. Here's 5 out of 9. So this one equal this value times, because that's nose, so that's 5 here, 5 over 14. That is. And here we go. So what we need to do now, we have to add both of these together based on the equations here. So if I say this one equal this plus this, that is 0.94. This is very important. That's your base. That's where you start. That is 0.94, which is similar. If I do this, I do it on the screen here. That is. If I do it here, if you notice, remember what we've done here is it is. Remember, we said 9 over 14 log 2 of 9 over 14. Yeah? Minus, this is minus. Right? Minus 5, I'm going to put it here, 5 over 14 log 2 of 5 over 14. Yeah? So let me just make that clear here. Looks nice, like that. So take it away. And I can say log 2 of 9 over 14 minus